Alright, from Five Below, I picked up this Calligraphy Made Easy book. So this is going to help me get my writing all nice and wonderful. I love how it came with plenty of instructions and tips. Not just instructions and tips just for the basic calligraphy style, but it giving you instructions and tips based off of the pen or the style of writing you choose to use. And you can find, I will put the Instagram below for the Printable Wisdom. That's who made this book, but you can get this book from Five Below for $5. And you can find Printable Wisdom on Instagram and Facebook, and they are in here in the Lone Star set, I believe, like in the McKinney area, where you can find their little shop. But I like that it gives you tips on the types of pens to use and how to do the strokes and all that. And then it has plenty of area for you to practice and do warm-ups and practice different letters and practice words and all the strokes and things like that. So I definitely look forward to getting into this. So the last thing I picked up is the Calligraphy activity set, and I also got the markers, but I did not bring them in here, but they come with 12 dual tip markers. They also have a dual tip brush marker set. This one comes with dual tip markers and a few of brush dual tip with the brush tip. So you have to be mindful that yes, it looks the same, but there's a brush set where it's just straight brush markers, dual tip brush markers, and this one comes with dual tip markers and then a few of the brush markers. It also comes with a silver and gold gel pen instruction book, some photo things to practice on, tags to practice on, and just things like that to kind of help you get into Calligraphy. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.